Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. Today it's revision time. As tomorrow we have exam, online assessment of English. So today we'll revise. Yes? Okay. Before that, as we know that today is very auspicious day. Today is Krishna Janmashtami. Today is the birthday of our beloved Lord Sri Krishna. Yes, I wish you all a very happy Krishna Janmashtami. And before we'll start the revision, we'll pray to the Lord that, oh Lord, please give us strength, give us happiness, give us success, and shower your choicest blessings upon you. Yes, pray to Lord. Okay, now come to the revision. As already I have explained you, I have informed you that in online assessment we have only 4 lessons. Okay, and 20 question will be there from these for 4 lessons. And the first lesson is from English literature from the book Honeysuckle, and it is Tarot's Reward. Second chapter is from Supplementary Reader, and this is the Safford's Treasure. And third one is from English grammar, it's article. And fourth one is pronoun. Okay, all the chapter have well explained. Okay, and in English grammar the pronoun chapter we have done only till personal pronoun. Then you need to revise till personal pronoun only. Okay, yes. And we know actually this lecture is especially based on tomorrow's assessment. Even though you have attempt 2 time and now you are well aware how to attempt. Okay, still I'm giving you some instructions. Don't do any mistake. Write your name, your full name. Okay, as you know that before writing the name we write first word is capital word. Don't do beta any mistake. Your class and division. Okay, think before to write the class and division. In your last assessment I have find so many students have written it's 5th B, 5th C. Okay, be aware that you are now in 6th standard. Okay, and when you attempt the question, please take your proper time. Don't be in hurry. First read the question. Okay, and read it again and again and think about it. Then read the option which you feel this is the correct. Then put tick mark on that. Don't be in hurry. Okay, and submit only one time, because which one you submit first, that only we count. Okay, if you think that you submit once, then again you submit, then again you submit. First time suppose you are getting 10 marks, in next time 15 marks, next time 18 marks. Don't think that you have got 18 marks. The first one which one you will submit, that only will accept. Okay, will consider. So you have got proper time. Okay, only 4 lessons are there. And for online assessment, because questions are multiple choice question. Okay, for a question you will have 4 options. How easy this is. Yes, answer also you will find there only, but still you need to know, you need to be confident which one is the answer. For that you have to read the chapter, each and every line and each and every stand need to read very attentively and understand it, because question will be from anywhere in the lesson. Okay, otherwise what happens, we have question answer, we learn the question answer and they only come in the exam. But for this online assessment, or we can say for MCQs, we have to read full chapter, because question comes from within the chapter. Okay, this is about the question answer. And the same for the grammar. Practice it more and more. Practice the exercises, learn the definition, whatever is there in your book, learn everything. Okay, again I would like to say, don't be in hurry. Okay, read it, understand it, then give the answer, then only submit. Today I am giving a revision worksheet. Okay, just to introduce you the type of question you are going to get, so that you will prepare yourself as per that format. Okay, see, this is the revision worksheet I have prepared. Okay, tick the correct option. You need to tick the correct option. Which one you feel correct, you need to give a tick mark. See, first question is there, who was Tarot? Okay, we know that a woodcutter, a student, a businessman, a farmer. Okay, first think about that, then you try to recall your memory, and as you will get the answer, yes, it's he was a woodcutter. Just press woodcutter. Next question, who visited the Safford one day? Okay, options are given: the king of Iran, the governor of Iran, Safford's friend, villagers. What is the answer? We all know that yes, it is the king of Iran. Next question, what did the iron chest contain? Okay, as the Safford used to carry a iron chest with him, what it carried? What was there inside that iron chest? See, options: gold, money, an old blanket, books. What is the answer? Yes, the an old blanket. Next question. What Taro saw behind a rock? Okay. What Taro saw behind the rock? Waterfall, river, lion, tiger. Yes, waterfall. How many articles are there in English grammar? See, first two question I have given from the lesson Taro. Okay, from English literature. The two question I have given from Safford's literature from supplementary reader. Now remaining question I have given from grammar. See, how many articles are there in English grammar? Yes, we know how many articles? 3. We know which are they? A, an, and the. Next question. Saurabh's sister encourages him to participate in inter-school competitions. Saurabh's sister encouraged him to participate in inter-school competitions. Find the pronoun. In this sentence, we need to find which one is the pronoun, where pronoun have used. See, Saurabh, is Saurabh pronoun? No, Saurabh is noun. Him, in, sister. Yes, we know him is the pronoun because him is replaced with Saurabh. Him is indicating to Saurabh only because Saurabh's sister encouraged Saurabh to participate. In place of Saurabh, we have written pronoun him. So, him is the pronoun. Okay, this is the practice worksheet, revision worksheet. Question will be same as I have given here. Okay, so just learn it, read it, celebrate the festival with your family, pray to Lord. Okay, and revise for tomorrow's exam. All the best. Bye.